British Pakistani, blank, has been appointed the new Home Secretary of the United Kingdom. Sajid Javid. PTI's leadership issued show cause notices to its blank MPAs for allegedly selling vote in the recent Senate elections. (2022) Blank political party has become part of the Muttahida Majlis-i Amal. G. Muhammad Hafiz bowling action was cleared by ICC on blank May 1, 2018. An anti-terrorism court (ATC) in Multan on 5 May 2018 handed an blank prison sentence to a man accused of robbery for threatening and hurling his shoe at a civil judge during his hearing. 18-year. Sajid Javid as the blank Muslim to serve as the British Home Secretary. First, Jamaat-i-Islami left the PTI-led ruling coalition on blank May 3, 2018. Pakistan achieves blank % growth rate, highest in 13 years. 79. Which party leadership has issued show cause notices to its 20 MPAs for allegedly selling vote in the recent Senate elections. PTI. Pakistan retained the top spot in the annual International Cricket Council (ICC) blank cricket rankings. T20. New Islamabad International Airport was inaugurated on blank May 1, 2018. Which Pakistani spin bowler has been handed suspension 3 times from international cricket by ICC after founding his bowling action to be illegal? Muhammad Hafiz. Which Pakistani cricket player bowling action cleared by ICC on May 1, 2018? Muhammad Hafiz.